Yes, what's up everybody? Today I'm just showing you a quick tutorial. It's going to be like a tutorial how to fix if your nails, your screws by default which come with this socket or switch, they're no longer tight, they are just loose and they just jump out. All you need to do is get these, they call it a tapping screw, and you need to just use this and you just have to solve the problem like that. So you have to remember the safety rules. You have to work when it is off, and you have to know what you're doing, and you don't mess up these earthings and the live and the neutral. But for me, I have some knowledge. Though my electricity is on, first remove this. But for yours, if you're not sure about what you are doing, and you also need a tester to test if the electricity is not there, because there's some leaking of electricity in some houses. So this is the example. This is the original one. This is the original screw, the ones which come with your sockets. So when I try to put this, I try to screw it in, it's just loose and it just jumps out. So the way to fix, we just need this, the tapping screw, and it's all we need. Actually, I got this idea from an electrician. I tried to figure it out myself. Even on YouTube, I couldn't get what to do. But when I called someone gave me the expert's number, and as you can see, it's works well. So you just need to go with this. Also do this to this the other part, and we will be done with this video. Okay. Actually, they are not so expensive. You just need to get a pair, and I can first loosen this so that I can easily put this inside. So as you can see, this works really well and perfect, and I think, yeah, it's just a perfect replacement for this. So no more suffering with this, and we can again use our socket and all switches the right way. So that's it for this video. It's just 3 minutes. You can share with friends who are suffering with this, and comment and also like the video. Stay safe, have a nice time, bye bye.